So now me and my brother are about to leave for Gujarat to visit the Statue of Unity, which is the largest, tallest statue in the world. So it's 5:45 in the morning now and we're about to leave. Let's go. So now we are at a stopover in Gujarat. This is our first stopover. Just had some snacks. We are halfway to the Statue of Unity. And this is our ride. Our professional driver is getting ready for our second half of the Gujarat trip. Now we just stopped for our first refuel. We are almost 70% Gujarat. So we are at our friend's dad's hotel. So this is around really close to the Statue of Unity. And this is our car over here. So our friend Vinayak owns this hotel. So we'll be continuing our journey. So we are at our friend's hotel and these are his pets. This is Sugar, right? Sugar. Simba, that is Simba. This is Sugar. These are Vinayak's pets.
Jenny
कितना एज है? वो इनको हिमाचल लेके आने वाला था ना?
अभी तो उधर से भी आ गए यहाँ पे हम लोग का घर बसाएंगे। वहाँ कोई सोसाइटी वाले ने ना बोला, ऐसा कुछ बोला। हाँ तो वो अभी
We have come to Hotel Neelkant. This is my friend Vinayak Parmar's dad's lodge slash hotel. So although Vinayak is not here, but we met his brother Krishna Parmar. He showed us this nice place. Hopefully we'll come here to stay on our return trip. He invited us to come for the summer for having raw mangoes here. There's a bullet train track behind the some kilometers behind the this premise, and there's a nice sugarcane farm also behind.
So we will be continuing our journey now. Let's go. So we have stopped at this restaurant, Cafe Kabana, for lunch. This will be our last meal before we reach Statue of Unity. This place has a nice lake view. Just finished our lunch and we're about to leave from this beautiful restaurant. Next stop, Statue of Unity. So we just parked at the Statue of Unity and now we are continuing for the bus ride. The bus ride to the Statue of Unity. This is my brother in his leather jacket. The statue is now visible from our bus. You can see this is the first sighting of the world's tallest statue. We've just arrived at the Statue of Unity. As you can see, it is gigantic. It's the biggest statue I've ever seen in my life. It's enormous. As you can see, that is the bridge that connects to the island on which it stands. You can see in my background that is the Statue of Unity. It's really enormous. So I'm about to go climb it before the sun sets. So let's go. So this is me, my brother, my friend Milind, who joined us from Gurgaon. Come on, let's go. This is the beautiful Statue of Unity. This is the entrance towards the Statue of Unity. We are walking towards the lift which will take us on top of the statue. Come on, let's go. This This is the line towards the Statue of Unity. You can see it's really big. This is the escalator which takes us right to the bottom of Statue of Unity. Raj, did you like the statue?
Yeah, it's good.
You're right at the bottom of the Statue of Unity. It's enormous. Really huge. We are inside the viewing gallery of the Statue of Unity. And the structure and the architecture of this hall is really beautiful. Enormous, just like the statue. Inside the chest part of the Statue of Unity. It's really crowded at the moment. So we just completed our tour of the Statue of Unity and it was really good. The experience was really good. It's really enormous. So this is my brother over here. What can you say about the statue? You can see it's illuminated since it's night time now. So we will be departing soon. So see you. So this is the day 2 and we stayed at this hotel, Hotel Narmada. It was quite a pleasant stay over here and now we are about to leave for Mumbai and we are gonna do a stopover at Vinayak's hotel where we're gonna meet up with him. So let's go.
Stick low. Hey, Ramesh.
ऐसे करके वेट लॉस कर सकते ऐसे कर
अच्छा है उसे लूज किया है थोड़ा वापस इधर आ गई ना बचा
So we just left from Vinayak's hotel. Now we are on our final route to our home. So let's go to Mumbai.